Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got the Maiden flight. Yes, Hobby King Super Tucano. So what we got going here is we got a 4500 milliamp. It's a Chinese knockoff or something. What is it? Yumi or something. And I do have a 6-channel with gyro, but I'm not going to be using the gyro to take it off. It's a Lemon RC. It's from Motion RC. And the 4500 milliamp. I just put a little extra tape. I don't have no anything else to put under the battery with me. Got one strap on it. CG's still a little nose heavy all the way back to the foam blocks, but we're gonna give it a try. It's a maiden flight. I haven't flown in quite a while. Hopefully all goes well, and then we'll test the battery for you if it comes back down in one piece. All right, let's see. Left, right, up, down, left rudder, right rudder, takeoff flaps, landing flaps. We'll probably use takeoff flaps. Which way's the wind coming? At us, I believe. So, all right. We're gonna try to. It's a big old plane. Big old plane, huh, Junior?
Also quite bumpy here.
And yeah, it's quite bumpy here. You're absolutely right. We got it set for 5 minutes. I'm not used to this field at all. We've been here a couple times. All right, buddy, you want to step back? Stay behind the fence for me, please. Safety first. Keep your head on a swivel, please. Dad's gonna try not to be too nervous, even though I'm very nervous right now.
Landing flaps.
Take off flaps. So, well, we got some eagles over here in the nest we gotta watch for. This field, it may look big on the camera, but it's really not. It's a short field with a lot of low trees. So, let's stop making excuses, huh? And here we go. What do you think, buddy?
Flaps up. Gear up.
What do you think, buddy? I had a hard time getting that up. You like it? I mean, she's flying steady. Just seemed to have a hard time getting it up in the air. Unless I have too much down elevator mixed in with the flaps, because I had takeoff flaps on. Wow, she moves like a missile. What do you think? Should I practice for some landings? Gear down. I'm way too nervous for this.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Oh, down in one piece. I did it. Man, I haven't flown in months. I was very nervous, buddy. Very nervous.
I was nervous as well.
You were nervous for me? I got it down in one piece.
Takeoff flaps.
I was very nervous, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I was so nervous. This is a big plane. I haven't flown in a long time. Very nervous. But it's down in one piece. Landing gear, look, fantastic. I flared it, I think perfect timing. We'll see on the video, even though it's a little far away. But let's check the battery. That was, let's see, how many minutes was that? I only flew 3 minutes because it says I have 2 left, right? Yes, it says 2 minutes left. So
Check the battery.
I flew 3 minutes. Let's do the battery. I think I held my breath the whole time.
Yeah, I'm surprised you were able.
19%. Oh my gosh. I'm really glad I didn't go another 2 minutes.
Oh my
This
God.
battery was dead. 19%. If I had went the additional 2 minutes, it would have been ugly. I'm glad I landed at 3 minutes. That's what a 4500 Yumi power. Well, we'll have to upgrade to a better battery. That battery's brand new too, and it was at 100%. All right, guys. Well, until next time, we'll compare it to the Dynam, and I got to get a few more flights under my belt so I can stop being so nervous. Thanks for watching. Till next time.